So today I'm going to give you a little tour of St. John's Harbour. Just a short one. Hope you enjoy it. I've been to this area a couple times and always enjoy coming here sitting. I think it's my fourth time now, fifth. It's not a sunny day, but it's a day. There we have the Labrador Retriever and the good old Newfoundland dog. Big old dogs. Our National War Memorial behind. I love our flag. Love it. Well, I got a few clips in, but as you can see behind me, the fog starting to come in pretty thick. So I had to be careful with my drone because even though it's not raining, the fog still builds up and gets everything wet inside. We don't like it wet inside. Not with electronics anyway.